How to make money 200 plus monthly, the selling Canva template. The how to make money make $2,000 plus per month selling Canva template. Do you have want to sell Canva template? Looking for make money selling Canva template? You can just start the Canva template to sell, and the make money is always. How learn, earn more, sell, and with live the Canva template. Canva template, very interesting and nicely presentation. The post manually traffic and the Canva template and make and this Canva template. Do you have on to how to sell Canva template? Look for make money sell Canva template. You can just Canva template sell and make money for this. They are nearby selling creative and Canva template. How to make money extend because you just needed creative one of the calls and that unlimited amount in life. 2 days I have fun in by interview shows share you and interviews ready to making send con and may and sell Canva template. Working just a few hard and make able to earn $2,000 the Canva template, and this the making money. The Canva template sending 2000 money only. Are you wonders the question charts an excellent Canva template creative? I can sell and Canva template. I can sell in Canva template. Canva template sell how to make Canva design sale, how what buying and Canva template. How can I learn how to make Canva template in sale? Console is the Canva template. 2 days in invites and this the way. And can you learn more the music, the side income in Canva template? How to state and blog free course? How to make money selling printable on state, how to a paid service site to make money $50 per month, and the to a specific income ideas which is the you are enjoying the life more. How to sell Canva template. Please give us little background and yourself, and how you got stand and selling Canva template. Everything search is a blog. If you own the token and touch, and I went to the state and feelings like and the more revelation and once of regals and like a college degree, lesson job and brand etc. I want to go in great details. This is the best toy I need and more standard in speak in my background and this goal. Virtual assistant on the during the think on who's and about and learn and easy. Affiliate marketing passive is general how to get thing understand in after. The lot of information this provide and 2000 to $1,000. How much do you can earn from selling the Canva template? How much do you earn monthly from selling Canva template? Want to first set up and tradition hope the possible and Canva template. What is the Canva template? What is Canva? So and more and Canva and organic graphic design apps. It is the used to but use can selling up to pro account and unlocking some potential page factor which says a million of programmers and there's image and graphics elements and then and each. So I heard much more Canva, organic and graphic design. It is the use of fast. I use and can sign a pro account that is unlocking some practice. Basically, design which is main and extension takes and graphic design, photographic design, and list design. The difference is the oil and Adobe Photoshop and City Planning. Our Crow and Canva is very easy use, making the much more convenient people how to not on the this in Adobe Easy Sketch and those working. How do like about creating Canva template? Yes, you sure the more Canva template grows and these including an insight and lovely voices, the how to old some is it popular articles, graphic design, and the typography and part of this session, hard this myself program and Photoshop design, who was called the beautiful design in myself, but I just needed to taught his platform best and Canva is different. It is like standard using Canva. It make perfect the design thought. All course of platforms easy can to say space and graphic design. How can this take and set and Photoshop design? How much money can make selling Canva template? Can you make money selling template? Can make money from Canva? I can use make money $2,000 per month. Everyone which and 30 templates shop and this is a lot of information. The how to basically make money with and the people selling and this the are the Canva template. I don't following the selling Canva template. Create design and or creative and can someone text skill. Can you list setup needed to create and creating sell Canva template? Make potential and Canva template and make promote your product, sell template and make after there anyone teach someone have some on to this is the products. Can you tell trying about often lot of power how to sell Canva template summaries? I hope that enjoyed inviting sale Canva template and how to make money with Canva. How to make money with Canva? It is the laugh on about side. There are the work from home and enjoying this is life out of his boss. Canva is template and skill like of design and can social media, Pinterest image, ebook and etc etc lot of business. How to this is the ATO to make expense money on free books how to ebooks, about this site, how to make money with during the best online gift, and for 6 way to get paid advertising on your car. Thank you. Best of luck, my friend. Please subscribe, like, comment, share my videos.